Create a delicious bread machine Swedish coffee bread from scratch. You got this. Hey there, baking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best recipes and tips for your bread machine adventures. Today, we have something truly special for you, Swedish coffee bread. Get ready to indulge in the heavenly aroma and taste of this delicious treat. So, without further ado, let's dive. Ingredients: 1 cup lukewarm milk, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 cups bread flour, 2 1/4 teaspoons active dry yeast, 1/4 cup strong brewed coffee, 1/4 cup chopped almonds, 1/4 cup raisins, optional, 1 egg, beaten, for egg wash, pearl sugar, for topping. Instructions. In the bread machine pan, add the lukewarm milk, softened butter, granulated sugar, salt, bread flour, and active dry yeast in the order recommended by your bread machine's manufacturer. Select the dough cycle on your bread machine and start the process. Allow the machine to mix and knead the dough until it becomes smooth and elastic. Meanwhile, brew a strong cup of coffee and set it aside to cool. Once the dough cycle is complete, transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface. Roll it out into a rectangle about 1/2 inch thick. Brush the surface of the dough with the brewed coffee, making sure to cover it evenly. Sprinkle the chopped almonds and raisins, if using, over the dough, pressing them gently to adhere. Starting from one of the long sides, tightly roll up the dough into a log shape. Place the rolled dough into a greased loaf pan, seam side down. Cover the pan with a clean kitchen towel and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, during the last 15 minutes of the rising time. Once the dough has risen, brush the surface with a beaten egg to create a shiny crust. Sprinkle pearl sugar generously over the top. Bake the Swedish coffee bread in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until it turns golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. Remove the bread from the oven and let it cool in the pan for a few minutes. Then, transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Slice and serve the Swedish coffee bread with a cup of coffee or tea, and enjoy its rich flavors and delightful texture. And there you have it, folks. Our mouthwatering Swedish coffee bread is freshly baked and ready to be enjoyed. Whether you pair it with a cup of coffee or savor it as a delightful afternoon snack, this recipe is sure to satisfy your cravings. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic bread machine recipes. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.